I want us to take a brief look at the wretched state of the natural man. God has made all provision for mankind, for his sustainability and survival. Jesus said in Matthew chapter 11, verse 28, that "Come unto me, all you that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." The rest that Jesus Christ is talking about here is the Holy Spirit, because in John chapter 14, the verse 16 and the verse 20 says, Jesus left the Holy Spirit for the people. Those that do not have the Holy Spirit are not the children of God. Jesus is calling you now to come and he will give you rest. But the wretched man says that he will not come. His mind has been blocked and his mind is only focused on the natural things. Basically, his focus is on money. And he said money makes everything. And so his daily endeavor is to look for money. But today, if you can turn your heart from chasing after things that perish, and you can come to Jesus Christ, he is willing to save you and give you his own spirit in order for you to inherit all the goodness that are in him. God bless you.